Welcome to SysCloud. In this video, we'll give you a walkthrough of SysCloud Backup for Salesforce. SysCloud Backup for Salesforce is designed to help users quickly recover lost data and metadata from accidental deletions, ransomware attacks, and other data loss events. Under Salesforce, we backup supported standard objects, custom objects, and metadata for all your Salesforce organizations. Setting up Salesforce backup using SysCloud is very simple. You can securely connect your Salesforce organizations, optimize SysCloud's API usage for your Salesforce instance, and define the retention period for your backup archives by creating a backup job. Once set up, the backup runs automatically every day. We also have an on-demand backup option in case you want to instantly run an incremental backup for an organization. Once you've configured your backup, you can see a comprehensive dashboard where you can track the backup progress for all your Salesforce organizations. The dashboard also displays the usage stats, backup and restore health reports and errors, backup trends, admin roles available, and audit logs of all activities. In the backup archives, you can drill down into an organization to view its objects, records, metadata, and files. Instead of having to go through multiple steps to navigate to the archives, you can make use of SysCloud's Smart Navigation feature to quickly navigate to the archives or dashboards for any object. SysCloud lets you effortlessly restore Salesforce data with all object relationships intact. You can choose from multiple restore scenarios, such as duplicating records, updating records, or recreating only deleted records for data repair, as well as preview the data before restoring. In addition, you can deselect specific relationships from restore. For metadata, you have the flexibility to restore the entire metadata type or even just a component. You can also export Salesforce data and metadata from the backup archives. In fact, records can be exported in CSV format and metadata can be exported in their original XML format so that exported records and metadata can be easily imported into any Salesforce instance. SysCloud Backup app has several features that make it easy for administrators to manage backups and handle restore requests. Administrators can set up multiple backup admin roles with granular controls on access rights. Admins can also keep track of all the restores and exports using our detailed restore and export reports. With SysCloud's granular progress tracking, you can get an accurate time of completion for all your restores and exports. Thousands of IT administrators use SysCloud as a single pane of glass to back up and manage critical SaaS applications. Start your 30-day free trial today